Olympics, 1956, Sydney, Australia. The Olympics were scheduled to start in Melbourne, Australia, on November 22nd, 1956. As a result, the Olympic torch was being carried through various cities with a stop in Sydney, Australia. Barry Larkin, a veterinarian student, was originally opposed to the idea of the Olympic torch, as it was a tradition started by the Nazi Germany in 1936 Olympics. To protest this, Barry created his own torch, using a bedpost, a plum pudding pan, and flaming underwear. Larkin arrived before the actual torchbearer, Harry Dillon, and even got a police escort up to the stage. Larkin wasn't even dressed like a runner. He handed the mayor, Pat Hills, the flaming underwear torch, bowed and quickly disappeared into the crowd. The mayor, still holding the fake torch, started his speech when someone whispered into the mayor's ear that it was a fake torch. Soon afterward, the Harry Dillon showed up with the real torch. Hey, Eddie, can you get the lighter up there?
Hey, Ratcliffe, did you purchase 2 tickets to Beijing?
No, that was other rats.
I said no rats and fire.
You know, you're ruining this for me.